What's going on, guys? Angelo here, and today I want to just give my analysis and thoughts on the new POV that recently came out for Pantheon. Now, we don't know if this is official or not yet. It's shaping up that this is what the coaster is going to look like, so that's good news on that part. This was released actually on Vimeo. This is a site that not many people really know about, but it is still popular. There's still a lot of people that use this website to upload videos, and you can actually get ads on there too if you want to create content and whatnot, if you don't want to use YouTube. But the thing about this was that for it to be released on Vimeo, it just shows that nobody really wanted this to be public, but maybe this was like a test video. Now, the audio in my POV, I did switch it out because the other one was very glitchy. Like, it just sounded so bad. I'm not even gonna play it because it just sounds really bad. I think maybe they didn't want copyright or something. I don't know what the deal was, but we don't really know who released the video because it's been pulled off of Vimeo's website now. Overall though, I think it looks like an amazing ride, and I cannot wait for 2020 to ride this thing because that stall is literally going to be the best part of this ride. That stall was so long. I haven't really got the chance to experience a stall like that before. It reminds me of like the stall they have on, I think it's Goliath. I can't remember where it's at, but it's an RMC coaster, and the stall on there isn't even that long. So this is by Intamin. It has a lot of RMC tendencies. The way they do, or the way the track is moving, I guess you'd say. It has a lot of outward bank turns. Stormrunner does this little twisty thing with the track, and it's really cool, but it's on this ride as well. Me personally, I'm not really a fan of the new design of Intamin's track. I'm still happy that a company is going through and using Intamin, because for a moment it looked like they were kind of dying off, but it's a good thing that they're going with them. Some other elements of the ride though, like the top hat, that looks really good, as well as the little spike. The spike looks awesome, kind of like you're just going to be there for just like a couple seconds, kind of like Griffin. It's going to be really cool. I'm very excited for this ride, and the fact that this is going 73 miles per hour, if I'm correct, they bumped it to 73 miles now. Apparently it's the fastest multi-launch coaster, but you know, I don't really agree with that, because if you look, there's another coaster in another country, I think it's like Japan, forget the name of it, but yeah, it's definitely like pushing 77 miles per hour, and it is a multi-launch coaster. But Busch Gardens is saying that that's not the case, and theirs is technically the fastest. But yeah, you know, either way though, 70 miles per hour is pretty fast. I remember Volcano being that fast. Volcano was hitting definitely like 70, 75 almost coming out of the second launch. And let me tell you guys, a launch like from 0 to 70 is a whole lot different than just going up a hill and going down at 70 miles per hour. That launch is going to kick in really well, and I can't wait to experience that. I think it's a great addition to Busch Gardens. I think it's something that they need. They will now have 3 launch coasters though, so I don't know if they're trying to take the crown and get one more the following year. We don't know yet, but we'll see. The theming of it also looks pretty well. I imagine that they're going to go into a little more depth in theming, because Busch Gardens is known to be a theme park, and they do a great job at it. It's one of the most beautiful parks. It gets awarded every year. They do an awesome job. The park is beautiful, and I'm sure that this ride is going to definitely take the cake on that one. The only thing I'm really not a huge fan of is, to be honest, is the train. I mean, I like it and all, but considering that Intamin is honestly famous for doing really extravagant like designs with their front car, this one just seems elegant and classy, which is nothing wrong with that because it does fit the ride. I'm not saying it doesn't fit the ride or that it looks bad. I'm just not a fan of it. Like, I wish they would have done more. Maybe we had like a Roman god face or something on there. But yeah, overall though, I think it's going to be an awesome ride. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you all did enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And until next time, you guys, peace out.